Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 8 GB MP3 player from the company Victure. As I mentioned, this device has a couple different features. It is a pedometer, so when you're out walking you can track your steps. It also has built-in FM radio with recording feature. Get a thank you card. The instruction manual. Now it's pretty thick, but know that it's written in several different languages, so it shouldn't be that complicated of a device. Earphones that you can plug in. Now this is a Bluetooth enabled device, so you can use corded earphones or you can use Bluetooth and do wireless. Now I'll say this, if you're using the corded, I believe the battery life on it was 21 hours. If you use Bluetooth, it drops down to 6 hours. So a regular standard Android charging cable to charge it up, as well as to connect it to your computer so you can get songs. So it supports different file types, MP3, WAV, WMA, basically the standards. What I like about it though is it's a drag and drop system. You don't have to have any kind of software to get your music on there. You basically plug the device into your computer, go to your music folder, drag and drop the songs to it, and you've got them on there. 8 gigs of internal storage, but you can also expand it to up to 128 gigs by putting in a micro SD card. Now they don't supply the micro SD card for you, so if you wanted to do that, you would have to add the micro SD card. Again, FM radio with recording feature, 21 hours of playtime. I think it takes 1.5 hours to charge it, 21 hours of playtime. If you're using corded earphones, if you've got the Bluetooth feature on, 6 hours. A couple different buttons here. I don't know if it's going to have enough juice to power it on. Let's see if I have a... Not real sure where the power button is. Oh, it's over here on the side. Sorry. There we go. Power button on the side. A couple different buttons. It looks like a plus and a minus, probably to change your songs into volume. And then you've got a couple different buttons here. You've got a forward, back, up, down. I'll have to go through the directions and see what all that's like, but at least you get an idea of what the screen looks like. So I'm going to go down. Buttons are nice and responsive. Choose my language, set the date, etc. So I've had a few minutes to play with this MP3 player. I haven't even opened the instruction manual, haven't even taken plastic off of it. It's that easy to use. I thought I might walk through some of the basics just so you get a look and feel for how the device works. There's a power button right here, and then there's an up and down button on the right-hand side. These buttons really just serve as your volume controls. If you want to turn the device on, you just press the power button. It comes on, it shows my date and time. You can change this if you want to in your settings. You don't have to have the date and time viewable. You can actually set a picture if you wanted to. And then you basically use these buttons here for everything else. Up, down, left and right, and then the middle is basically your select button. You've got a back button, which is up at the top right, and then you've got a menu button, which is at the top left. So all we're going to do is press the menu button to get into our different settings. And then we can use the right or left to go through anything we want to look at. So if I have an ebook I want to read, I could go there. I could go look at my pictures. I can go play the videos I've got saved on my device. I can record. Now this is a volume recorder, so if you've got your earphones plugged in, you could do voice recordings. You can go into your tools, you can go into your folders, look at anything you've got on there. You can go into the settings. I'm just going to press OK just to show you kind of what it looks like. So in my settings, I can just move up or down and do anything I want. If I want to change my date and time, if I want to change my shutdown settings, display settings, etc. Then you can always just press the back button to get back to where you were. The music folder is basically going to be your MP3s. You can see all songs, what's currently playing. You can just look at specific artists, play songs just from certain albums. You can set playlists, etc. I'm going to just go into all songs just to show you. And then you can see a listing of all the songs that you've got on here. If you've got album artwork, it will show the album artwork. So you'll notice on this file, I don't have any album artwork. That's what it looks like. Let me go see if I can find one that actually has it. Yeah, so this song has album artwork. It'll show on the device. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that, but you've also got a counter up here. This is song number 4 out of 820 that I've got currently stored on my device. Again, I can press the back button, go back. You've also got the option, as I mentioned before, to use Bluetooth or not use Bluetooth. It's pretty simple. You can go in here and you can simply turn it on or turn it off. The FM radio is its own menu. So you do have a station list. You can save up to 30 presets. You can see I'm on 7 of 30. Any one of those you want to listen to, you just get on the preset, press OK. If you don't want to do presets, if you just want to scan through your radio channels, you can do that as well. Very easy. There's no touch screen. Everything's done kind of old school with the menu with protruded buttons that are easy to press. I kind of like that. I know some people like touchscreen, but this works better for me. I hope that gives you an idea of how the device works. Thanks for watching.